We were going through Utah and we happened to see all these signs saying the Young Living Farm was here. So of course, being the essential oil guru that I am, I have like every essential oil under the sun, and I happen to be a rep for Young Living. So we took a little detour and we are now at the Young Living's. I don't know if you see the sign. So we are at the Young Living Visitor Center. This is the Young Living Lavender Farm. Now I'm going to take you right on into the Visitor Center with me. We can check it out together. Alright, so I'm in my glory right now. This is like my jam. There are so many essential oils and everything here and products that Rob's gonna probably have to pull me out of here kicking and screaming. I only have a little bag so far, and I think that's all I'm allowed at the moment. But I'm gonna take you around because this farm and the whole grounds is pretty cool. They have horses and it's just really cool looking, so come on.
Want to get soaked with the paddle boats? You can paddle boat, but you're going to get soaked out there. We got a castle over here. Instead of like jousting and stuff. Yeah. It's interesting. Okay.
Would you like a duel? I'll do it all.
baby one over there.
Oh, well, they got thieves around the car. There you go. This right here. Thieves. If you don't know anything about it, you should get involved with it because thieves will save you from getting the flu. I can't even tell you, I haven't caught the flu, cold, or anything because of this stuff in probably like years. I can't even tell you, it's been years. Now, if you take a look around this place, you can definitely see that the essential oil business is a very lucrative business because this property is sweet. I wouldn't mind living here.
To Utah or the farm?
The farm. Or both. Actually, catch me in the winter. I might say something a little different.